Hey guys, welcome to How to Bake It. Today we're going to be making the super yummy, soft, perfect for tea time vanilla cake. This is a very easy and simple recipe and you only need a couple of ingredients, which you probably have in your kitchen. So without further ado, let's get baking. To a large mixing bowl, add in the flour, butter, eggs, make sure you don't get any eggshells in there. We don't want a crunchy cake, now do we? The vanilla, baking powder, sugar, and finally the milk. Now you want to beat this with an electric mixer for around 5 minutes. Make sure you start off on low speed and then gradually increase your speed to high. Beat this until you reach a super smooth, silky batter. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Then you're going to take your 35 by 26 centimeter baking tray and pour all of that glossy batter in. Then you want to smooth out the top, but don't worry if it's not all level because it will definitely even out in the oven. Now you want to bake this cake for 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, let it cool before cutting it into pieces. Try out this recipe and I promise you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.